So we have our egg. Make sure you scramble it really good. Okay, so now we have it scrambled really well. Almost looks like orange juice. This is what we want it to look like. So you don't have any albumin, which is the egg whites. Okay, we're going to put it into a lightly oiled pan. I'm going to show you how to do the folds real quick. We got this on medium-low heat, just a little pan. Just enough to slick it up. I don't want to see no pouring of oil. Okay, you can even take this pan, take some paper towel and just wipe it out a little bit. Okay, remember the Teflon is very good. So we're going to put our egg in the center, and then we're going to make it a square. Just pour it in. Okay, let it spread out a little. Okay, just swirl it a little. Swirl it around. Okay. So at this point it's pretty much done. I'm going to turn the heat off because I had it nicely preheated. Okay, I don't want to overcook it. We'll bring it over here. And just with, McDonald's, you don't want any color, so they do a couple folds. We're going to fold it in once from the side. Okay. And like that. Try to have a nice fold like this. Okay. And then you have your little MckGriddle egg patty here. We'll put this on the side to assemble the rest. Some people like to use rings. Make sure you screw it inside of the ring. Assemble this. I got everything warm here. I got my turkey sausages with color on it. I'm using a cast iron griddle for today, but we're going to use our pans because it's a really big mess. So I'll put one of these down like that. Like it says brush, but I'm just going to drizzle a little maple syrup on there. Okay. I'll get the sausage down. Okay, let me just grab the cheese. All right, now we got our nice queso gringo, our American cheese. Okay. Put our egg on top. Right there. All right. And then on the other side, we'll just put a little more maple syrup. And I'll just have it like that. All right. Some people want to add a little more on top. Feel free to do so. You can add some ketchup, some other things, but I like to just drizzle a little more of this on top. Okay. All right. And there it is. And then garnish with some blood orange.